Welcome to my presentation for my Principles of Software Engineering class. My name is Luis Caceres and my project is on the LifeTrack app. So, what is LifeTrack? LifeTrack is an innovative application designed to help individuals organize and optimize their daily activities, goals, and tasks. The app is ideal for anyone seeking to improve their productivity, achieve their goals, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. This is only a basic version of the app, so some components may be missing, but overall, the report is a complete layout of the application. So what are some key features of the application? The LifeTrack application consists of 6 different features that can help you organize your life. In the task management feature, you can take note of important tasks such as homework, projects, or chores. In the goal tracking section, you can record personal or professional goals. These can include getting a promotion, losing an X amount of pounds, or to be more positive. In the health supervision part of the app, you can supervise your health and you can maybe exercise more or include a diet. In the finance administration section of the app, you can manage your expenses, budgets, etc. In the calendar integration part, you can keep track of your events or your tasks. And finally, in the habit tracking part, you can keep track of your habits and maybe be more positive, be more optimistic, or maybe be more serious. Software requirements specifications. The external interface of LifeTrack has essential interfaces for user interaction, including graphical user interfaces, touchscreens, and gesture-based controls. Additionally, the application will integrate with various hardware and software interfaces. Some of these interfaces include touchscreens, GPS, Bluetooth, and motion sensors. Communication and integration will be facilitated through the utilization of application programming interfaces, graphical user interface APIs, for enhanced user experience and communication protocols like hypertext transfer protocols, file transfer protocols, and message queuing telemetry transports. Overall, we want to make sure the app runs smoothly and meets the requirements and expectations of both the producers and the consumers. Software design. The architecture of the LifeTrack application is structured into layers, each fulfilling specific roles to ensure smooth operation and user interaction. Starting with the user interface layer, offering intuitive graphical components for seamless user interaction. The application layer manages user requests, directing them to appropriate components, while the logic layer executes core functionalities like task management and health monitoring. The data access layer facilitates communication with the database storage, ensuring data integrity, while the database storage layer provides persistent storage for all LifeTrack data, supporting the functionalities effectively. Together, these layers deliver a robust and user-centric life management solution. On this slide, we can see 3 different diagrams that represent how the LifeTrack application works. In the top left, we have the entity relationship diagram. Here we can see that the user entity has total participation with every other entity in the diagram. Other entities in the diagram, such as the health metric and the task entities, have partial participation. In the bottom left, we have the high-level system diagram. Here we can see how both the backend and front-end objects work together to perform the necessities described in the previous slide. On the left, we have the object class diagram, which again shows how each class has a connection with the user class. And there are some classes that have connection with each other. It represents the backbone of the LifeTrack application, and it enables users to manage various aspects of their lives. In this slide, we can see a concept of what the LifeTrack application would look like. On the left, we have the settings page. In the middle, we have the home page. And on the right, we have the finances section of the application. In the middle, in the home page, we can see the user has a lot of options to choose from to keep track of their daily lives, including the habits, tasks, calendar, goals, health, and finances. Additionally, there is an icon or button for the settings page. In the settings page, users have details such as their name, their login information, their phone number, and their email addresses. Additionally, at the bottom of the page, they have a logout option and an option to delete their account. Unlike the home page, the settings page, along with the other sections of the app, have an arrow in the top left corner to return to the home page, or to the previous page they were on. On the right, we see the Finance tab. In the Finances section, we can see the amount spent by the user per week. We can see a breakdown of their costs, including groceries or clothing. And we have at the bottom a How to Improve section, which gives the user suggestions on how to manage spending. Testing stages. A combination of manual and automated testing will be used to ensure that the test team has a comprehensive understanding and coverage of the application's user interface. With manual testing, users can provide feedback based on their perspectives, expectations, and overall satisfaction with the design and functionality of the application. With automated testing platforms like Cypress, we can make sure that each of the components from the user interface work as intended across different platforms or browsers. Again, we want to hit any requirements to make sure that the app meets the user expectations. Testing many features to ensure everything works, such as buttons or user inputs, and we will use different test tools responsibly by the test engineers. Thank you for viewing my project, and I hope you enjoyed it.